Hello, this is Vik. In this video, we'll see how we can install WordPress manually. In previous video, we have seen with the Softaculous. I'll go to cPanel homepage. Here I'm on homepage. I'm opening this file manager. And I'll go to public HTML. Here we have already installed Softaculous. What I'll do is I'll create a new folder and I'll call it as WP for our manual installation. Here is the directory. And what I'll do is I'll download WordPress from wordpress.org website. There are two different websites. One is wordpress.com and one is wordpress.org. wordpress.org is for self-hosted WordPress installation. I'm downloading this. Here it is, 4.9.1. What I'll do is after downloading this file, I'll upload directly. Here you can see upload button. After clicking on this upload button, this window is open. Just I'll drag this file here. It will be uploaded. And after that I'll extract this zip directory with the help of this extract. And if you want to compress and export your website, you can use this compress option in cPanel's file manager. It's downloading, just a few seconds. Yeah, it's almost completed. After finishing, I'll just drag this file into here. It will upload. It will just take a couple of seconds. After completing, I'll reload this file manager page and you'll see this WordPress 4.9.1 zip. And I'll open this. I'll duplicate this window and I'll open up WP directory. Here it's a blank. Still this file is uploading. Okay, it's uploaded. I'll click on reload and extract. It's extracted. I'll delete this file and I'll move these files to skip trash also and directly remove. It's like a shift delete, select all and move. I'll move this to WP. I'm deleting this directory. Here inside a WP directory. And if I reload this page, we'll see installation page, WordPress installation page, and the languages. Next, what we need to do is after uploading these files, I should create a database. I'll go to MySQL databases. I'll create a new database. WP manual. This database is created. I'll create a user and the password will auto generate. And I should assign this user to this database. Here we have user and I have WordPress manual database. I click on add user to database. That is, we should add a privileges. I'm adding all privileges to this user on this database. Next I'll proceed with the installation, WordPress installation. I'm choosing English, United States, and we need all these credentials. We have database name, database username, password and host name. This host name you can get it from your provider. If they are hosting database on different server, you will have different. Otherwise, if it's hosted on a same server, you can use localhost. And the table prefix if you want to use a different table prefix. And the database name, first of all I'll paste this password. Okay, and database name is this one, and the username is WordPress user, and the database host is a localhost, and a WordPress course. So I'm using WPC underscore submit. It's connected, and if if you have any problem with the if a WordPress has any problem with the connection, it will show an error. It's showing alright Sparky, you have made it through, and that means WordPress can now communicate with the database, that it's able to connect. All the login credentials are correct. I'll click on run installation. It will install, and it will ask for the site title, same as before in Softaculous. I'm using my email ID. Okay, this was a test site. I don't want search engines to visible. In your case, you should enable this. I'll show you. If you have mistakenly selected this option, you can uncheck this through settings page. I'll show you how you can do that. Install WordPress. It will take a couple of seconds to install, and it's installed. If you want to save the password, you can save. I don't want to save it. I'll log in. This is the same as the previous installation. Here we have installed manually. In both cases it's a similar. We have a same template and a same design. Everything is similar, but the process is different. I'll continue with our previous installation, and I'll show you the WordPress dashboard and what are all the basic options in WordPress dashboard.